Hello everybody! In this video I will show you how I completed this sexy Patrick Star look from the Spongebob SquarePants movie. There is this particular scene in the movie where he just kills it. I got to see that sexy side of him and I've always wanted to recreate it. In my own way, of course. It all started when I purchased this bathing suit online, and I'll have the link below. But yes, when I saw it, I thought I really need this right now. Funny thing is, after I purchased it, I didn't get it until 3 months after. Honestly, you would just need a pink bodysuit, and adding Patrick's face would be optional. Then, I bought 2 yards of the purple stiff tulle and 3 yards of the neon green color. I also used a neon green felt fabric square out of which I cut 4 pieces that were 1 by 7 inches. And I cut 2 pieces of iron-on interfacing with the same measurements. After I ironed on the interfacing on 2 of those felt pieces, then I sewed them together like so. And then I put the 2 strips wrong sides together and sewed around the edges. And so that gave me a strong strip of fabric that will hold the tulle in place. For my green tulle, I cut it in 3 equal rectangles, keeping the length at 3 yards. Then I put the 3 rectangles together and did a gather stitch. I chose to do it by hand, but you can always use your sewing machine, whatever you think is easier. Then I pulled the thread to gather the tulle. And now I can pin it down onto the felt strip. Once it was pinned in place, I then did a straight stitch from one end to the other. I drew the flower and cut a lot of them out of my purple tulle. Each flower has 6 layers since the tulle is so transparent. Once I had them ready, I just pinned them on my skirt. And then I hand sewed them in place. Finally, I just added hooks and eyes at the ends on my strip of fabric and on the bathing suit on the sides at the waistline. And that's it! I was going to make the shorts up first, but I really wanted the bathing suit on full display, and I also thought the sexier the better, because I really wanted to step out of my comfort zone. Truth is, the reason why Patrick looks so sexy in that scene is because of the confidence he portrays. And so, maybe I want to be like him and feel confident in my own skin for once.
I'm on it.
Thank you so much for watching. Hope you always find the confidence and assurance you need to get through your day, and always be indifferent towards negative comments. In other words, be a Patrick.